Today I'm going to be reviewing this Anker Zolo power bank, which is a 10,000 mAh and it's a 30 watts high-speed portable charger, and it has a built-in USB-C cable, and it's also fast charging. I got one, my husband's got one, we've got Google phones, so we use the USB-C charging port with this, and it's absolutely brilliant. We always have it in our bag. It's very powerful, and what you get is obviously you've got this charger, so you don't have to worry about carrying anything else with you, and you can just place it in when you're not using it. This is where you charge the power bank up, so it's a USB-C, and also you can check how much charge there is if you press this little button on the side, so you know it's 94% charged up. And also you do have a USB kind of charging port on the side as well. So I said it's very compact, very useful. You get a great quality Anker hefty power bank, a little bit on the weighty side, but you just know that you get the quality with it, and it's just absolutely brilliant. The size of the power bank is 13.7 centimeters, so it's about 5.4 inches, and it's just a really sturdy and very well made little gadget, so it's definitely a thumbs up from us.